welcome to today's science class. Hello children, today we are going to play an excited game and all you have to do is just say the color but do not say the word has been written there. So, may I show you one example? Yes, come here. So, what is written here? Green, but in which color it is written? Orange. So, what should be your answer? Orange. So, are you ready? Let's begin. Orange, blue, yellow. Was this confusing? Was your brain put to the test? Yes, I know it was. So today let's learn about the interesting topic, the main figure of nervous system, brain. While playing this game, why you accidentally reading the color but do not speaking out the word? Don't worry, it's all normal. And it's called the left and right conflict of the brain. Your right side of the brain tries to see the color and your left side of the part tries to interact the word has been written there. So by this we understand that our brain is divided into two halves, right half and the left half. And these both are connected to each other and form a bundle of nerve fibers called corpus callosum. Does your brain remind you something that can be eaten? Any nut? Yes, it looks like a walnut. Walnut is a brain boosting nut which helps in increase the memory power of brain. And do you know the brain has wrinkles on its surface part? And what are the wrinkly part called? Yes, they are called cerebrum, which make up the major portion of our brain. So today's class will finish here and up next we'll talk more about nervous system. Goodbye, happy learning.
Good morning students, my name is Ayush Hemant Karigal. I am studying in Sarvodaya Vivek Jeevan Vidya Public School. So students, what did we learn in the last class? We learnt about the basic geometric figures such as rectangle, circle, triangle, etc. We are going to learn today angles. Do you know what are angles? Let us learn about angles. An angle has two arms and a vertex. The angle helps us to measure the degrees between the two arms. Probably there are 6 types of angles: right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle and complete angle. Let us know about what is right angle. The angle which is more than 0 degrees but less than 180 degrees is called as right angle. Means it is exact 90 degrees. If you look at my arms, they are perpendicular to each other. Means they are exact 90 degrees and form a right angle. Children, can you give me some examples of right angle? Yes, you are right. Let us see some examples of right angle such as this TV, this door, carom board and window. If you observe these corners properly, they make a 90-degree angle and known as right angle. So children, what did we learn today? We learned about angle, types of angles and right angle. So children, meet in the next class with another angle. Thank you.
Hello, I am Nirja Patil from 5th Sarvodaya Vivek Jeevan Vidya Public School, Gada English. Welcome to our science class at Lead School at home. In previous class, we have learnt about waste. In today's class, we are going to learn about types of waste. So there are 2 types of waste. They are biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. The waste which can decompose very easily are called biodegradable waste. Bio means nature and degrade means breakdown. Here are examples: a tomato, potato, chili, lemon, flour, cabbage of leaves and a cotton cloth. This can decompose very easily. The second type is non-biodegradable waste. The waste which cannot decompose very easily are called non-biodegradable waste. For example, a plastic cup, mobile, remote, microphone, plastic bottle, a glass jar, a scissor and a steel mug. These cannot decompose easily, so they are very harmful for our earth and environment. I hope you understood types of waste. Now we will do one activity. You have to make a chart of biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste and you have to classify some cards which are shown you. So let's start. Your first is leaves of plants, bones, fruits, plastic cups, glass and cotton. Now let's check. Cotton card will go in biodegradable waste. Glass will go in non-biodegradable. Plastic cup will go in non-biodegradable. Fruits will go in biodegradable. Bones and leaves of plants will go in also biodegradable waste. So children, you have to do one activity as your homework. Make a good manure with biodegradable waste. Goodbye. Happy learning.
Good morning everybody. Today we are going to learn about angles. Ray AC moves away from AB. The turn that AC makes from AB around A is called an angle. Let's see the different parts of an angle. There are two arms and one point called vertex. The point where two arms meet is called an vertex. Unit of an angle is degrees. We denote angle in degrees. How to name an angle? In this figure, we should name it as angle CAB, angle BAC or angle A. Let's see the different types of an angle. First is zero angle. When both rays are overlapping each other, that is called zero angle. Ray AB and ray AC are overlapping each other. Second is straight angle. When two arms are opposite to each other, they form an angle of 180 degrees. Ray AC and ray AB are opposite to each other. Third is right angle. When ray AC and ray AB are perpendicular to each other, that is called as right angle. They form an angle of 90 degrees. Fourth is acute angle. Any angle between 0 degree to 90 degree is called an acute angle. Fifth and last is obtuse angle. Any angle that is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Thank you.
Hello students, good morning.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you?
Fine, Miss.
Good. Myself Ravina Lad. I will teach you EVS subject. In today's class, you will learn about the respiratory system and its parts. Let's start. You also know that the breathing is a necessary action that all human beings need to do in order to live. The process of taking in air through our nose is called breathing in or inhalation, and the process of giving air through our nose is called breathing out or exhalation. One inhalation and one exhalation makes up one breath. The continuous process of breathing is called the respiration. Different organs help us in this process and together they form the respiratory system. Students, now you will be learn about the parts of respiratory system. There are many parts in the respiratory system like nostrils, nasal cavity, pharynx, trachea, left bronchus, right bronchus, bronchioles, left lung, right lung and the tiny air sacs called the alveoli. Okay students, I hope you have enjoyed your EVS class. Bye bye, happy learning.
My name is Swara Suresh Tirgalli. I study in class 5th. Today I am going to teach you about the layers of the earth. So all of you open your student reader 1 of unit 3. So all of you open your books. There are 3 layers of the earth. First is the crust, second is the mantle and the third is the core. Crust is the layer on which we live, which we can see, and there are many things on it like river, lake, ocean, houses and many more things. The second layer is the mantle. Mantle is the layer which comes after the crust. It is very thick and its temperature is about 4000 degrees Celsius. After the mantle comes the core. core has two parts, inner core and outer core. Outer core is the layer which comes after the mantle and which is close to the mantle. It is very hot. Its temperature is about 5000 degrees Celsius. After the outer core comes the inner core. Inner core is the hottest layer of the earth and it's a solid liquid hot ball and its temperature is about 6000 degrees Celsius. So children, we learned many things in today's class. We learned layers of the earth. Look at the picture. We learned that there are three layers of the earth: crust, mantle and core. There are two parts of the core, outer core and the inner core. So today's homework is that you have to revise whatever we learned today in today's class. So children, bye. Meet you in the next class.
Morning students.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are going to learn the angles lesson. I am sure that you have learned the angles lesson.
Yes, sir.
So today we will revise it. So first we will start with parts of an angle. So students, what is this line called? I think you know this.
Yes, sir.
What is?
Arm.
Arm. What is this dot called? This
Vertex.
vertex. Good. What is this line called?
Arm.
Wait, I'll write it. So students, write this all.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So students, now we are going to learn some basic angles. And these are some basic angles. Arvi, can you tell me this?
Yes, sir. Straight angle.
Apurva, can you tell me this?
Acute angle.
And this also?
Obtuse angle.
Good. So students, write it. So students, now I am going to tell you the definitions of all three angles. So listen carefully. So first I am going to tell a straight angle. Now listen carefully. The angle which measures 180 degree is called straight angle. Now acute angle. The angle which measures more than 0 degree and less than 180 degree. Not 180 degree. 90 degree is called acute angle. And obtuse angle is an angle which measures more than 90 degree and less than 1 degree. So you understood, students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Today's class is over, students. So bye.
Yes,
sir. Thank you for watching.
Hello students, today we are going to read SR 11 Unit 2. There are 4 types of diseases. One is vitamin A, one is vitamin B, one is vitamin C and last is vitamin D. I tell you first vitamin A. Role of vitamin A in the body. It helps to make the immune system strong, keep our heart and eyes healthy. Deficiency disease. Night blindness. The effect person find the difficult to see properly in dim light. Preventive measures. Having a diet rich in dark green, orange and yellow vegetables such as spinach, carrot, mango, milk and eggs. Now I give you some question answers. You write that in notebook. First question is, what is the role of vitamin A? Answer is, immune system strong, keep heart and eyes strong. Second question is, what is the deficiency disease of vitamin A? Answer is night blindness. Third question is, what are food items that are rich in vitamin A? Answer is dark green, orange and yellow vegetables, carrot, papaya, mango, spinach, milk and eggs. I will give you vitamin B and vitamin C question answers tomorrow. Bye bye. Happy learning.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, students. Sit down. Today we are going to learn about parts of skeletal system. It is made of from bones and joints. They are backbone, rib cage, skull, limb, shoulder, and hip girdle. Today we will only learn skull. The definition of skull is the bone structure of our head is known as skull. Write down in your notebook. I am going to repeat again. The bone structure of our head is known as skull. There are 22 bones in skull. From 22 bones, 8 bones protects our. From 22 bones means our inside's brain. The skull is protected from 8 bones and remaining 14 bones. Our face is made. Only the lower jaw means this is the lower jaw, which is also called as mandible. It is movable. It is movable because we eat and talk with mandible only. Now I am going to ask the questions. Please tell me answers. What is definition of bone? What is definition of skull?
The bone structure of our head is known as the skull.
How many bones are there in skull?
There are 22 bones in our skull.
What is another name for lower jaw?
Mandible.
Okay. From 22 bones, what does 14 bones do?
14 bones are made up of, our face is made up of 14 bones.
Okay. What does the 8 bones do?
8 bones protects the brain.
Okay.
Welcome to the online Elga 12 class at Lead School at Home. You attend your Elga classes regularly and do your homework. So today we are going to learn short vowel sound from SR 16 from Unit 2. All of you open SR 16. Yes, short vowel sounds. First is OUR short vowel sound. You have to read with me. Touch, couple, trouble, cousin, country, double, southern. Next is O vowel short vowel sounds. Sun, honey, money, monkey, Monday, mother, brother, company, wonderful, and nothing. You understood this phonics? Yes. So I am going to show you some words. You have to spell it. First word is stall. 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 Second word is swap. 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 Third word is design. 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 Difficult. 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 Thought. 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 Student. 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 You understood these words? Yes. You have to learn SR 16 phonics. Bye. Have a good day.
Hello friends, I am going to teach you maths. Okay? Unit 3 angles. I told that there are 5 types of angles. Acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle and zero angle. This is an angle. This is acute angle and this measurement is 168 degrees. Vertex is A, arms is C and B. This we can write in 3 ways. Na? C and arms are C, A, B, A and name of an angle is C, A, B, B, A, C and vertex A. This is also an angle. This is acute angle. Vertex is V, arms is X, Y and arms are W, Y, W, V. Okay? I will tell the measurements of angles. This is an
measurement is the angle in 90 degree, it is known as right angle. When 180 degree less than 180 degree more than 90, it is known as acute angle. When this straight angle, it is a straight angle. When it will be in 180 degree, it is known as zero angle and straight angle. Okay? And this is also an angle. Okay? This is angle, obtuse angle. This is subject. Less than 90, more than 0, it is known as obtuse angle. Okay? And we can write while using the D, we need an angle. When the measurements will be there, we should take a D and we should do the measurement of an angle. Okay? Band.
Welcome to your online English class. Today we are going to learn phonics. So we'll start our class. Short vowel sounds. O-U sounds. So, as an example, how to read the word, I will show you. It's the easy method. Now, example, treble. Trouble. 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 Yes, I think you understood it. We'll start with our first word. Okay. So, first word is touch. We'll start reading the words. Touch. 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 And this word, I think you have understood. Now, you have to divide the word in the three parts to understand the O-U sound. So, touch, O-U, O-U, O-U sounds. Second, couple, 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 couple. Here the word comes in the middle. O-U. Yes. Cousin. Now our third word is cousin. 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 So our fourth word is country. 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 I hope you all understood. I will give you 5 seconds to read this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye.
Hello, my name is Srishti Santosh Maltai. I am studying in standard 5th. Today, I am going to tell you something about vest. So, let me first tell you of the definition of the vest. The unused or unusable material is called the vest. So, there are two types in vest. Biodegradable and non-biodegradable vest. So, first, biodegradable vest means what? The land observes that vest whatever is thrown on the land. Some examples of the biodegradable vest are leftover food, dead bodies of the animals, and the fallen leaves of some plants and trees. So, non-biodegradable vest means what? The vest which land do not absorb into it. Some examples of the non-biodegradable vest are glass, plastic and papers. So, I'm telling you that please do not use plastic, papers that do not absorb into the land. Doing this, some amount of pollution will be in control and our environment will be clean and tidy. When we throw the plastic and papers and non-biodegradable waste on the land, it do not absorb till thousands and hundreds years in the land. So please, this waste is there, you have to throw it into the dustbin, recycle it or reuse it. Like if you have any cardboard of pen box, you can make the craft your project activity of it, any kind of. And then if you have plastic bag, you can wash the plastic bag properly and you can keep some vegetables into it and keep it into the refrigerator. So I'm telling you that please do not throw the waste into the land. Please throw it into the dustbin. Thank you.
Myself, Romil Saha, Standard 5th. As we know that Telugu has 5 components: phonics, whole words, reading and listening comprehension, grammar, writing and speaking expressions. Synonym. Synonym means the same word or phrase that means exactly or nearly the same as another word or phrase is called its synonym. In another word, synonym is called which word have similar meaning. What? Similar meaning. Similar meaning means which word have same meaning, like Rohan is sad, Neha is upset. Here sad and upset are synonyms as they have the same meaning. In our daily life we also use so many synonyms. Words means which have same meaning, like start, begin, quick, fast, idea, thought, large, big, etc. There are some words have more than one synonym. I will give you one example. Nice. For nice we also use the similar word like good, amazing, super, pleasant. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach small poem of Jem and Gautam. Jem and Gautam are brothers. Jem loves to eat oranges. Gautam loves to eat grapes. Jem and Gautam go to a zoo. There they see a giraffe and gorilla. The giraffe is tall and the gorilla is huge. Both of them are in cage. They both touch the giraffe and gorilla gently. After that they wash their hands to avoid catching germs. They take a bridge to go back home. In this poem, Jem and Gautam are brothers. They love to eat fruits and they go to zoo. They see the giraffe and gorilla. They touch the giraffe and gorilla. They wash the hands and they go back to home.
Hello, my name is Kunjal Sani. Today I am going to tell you about angles. Let us learn about angles. There are two types of angles. First one is type of an angle and second one is standard angle. First we'll see our standard angle. In standard angle there are four types: zero angle, straight angle, right angle and complete angle. Now we'll see definition of them four. Zero angle. An angle whose measure is only 0 degree is called zero angle. See, it is 0 degree. Now next is right angle. An angle whose measure is 90 degree is called right angle. It will look like this. Now our third angle is straight angle. An angle whose ray are like a dash is called straight angle, and it is only of 180 degree both the rays. See, it is like a dash and 180 degree. And our last standard angle is complete angle. And complete angle means who completes whole one round of an angle is called complete angle. See, it is looking like a zero angle only. Now our second type of an angle is type of an angle. Now see here, there are two types of that. There are acute angle and obtuse angle. Now we'll see both the definition. Acute angle, an angle whose measure is more than 0 degree but less than 180 degree is called acute angle. You see, it is like this. And our next obtuse angle, an angle whose measure is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. It is here. Thank you.
Myself Trupti Kori, class 5th. Hello students, welcome to online maths class at Lead School at Home. Today we are going to cover day 4 of unit 2. Every day you would be attending online classes and solving problems from worksheet. Which is our unit 2? Yes, our unit 2 is division. Let's solve a problem of division. This is our division problem. 1020 divided by 15. Let's solve it. 1020 divided by 15. 10 is smaller than 15, so we have to take 3 digits, which is 102. Is 102 in 15 table? No. So we have to take smaller than that, which is 90. 15 6 90. Now we have to subtract these two numbers. 2 1 0. Now we have to take 0 down. 0. Our number is 120. Is 120 in 15 table? Yes. 15 8 is 120. Now we have to subtract these two numbers. 0, 0 and 0. So our answer is 1020 divided by 15 is equal to 68. Students, you have to write this in your notebook. Bye. Happy learning.